do it. ASMR, guys. This is it. Da-da-da-da! Here we have the natural Starlight, and then we have this. Okay, so this is how it looks, like that. You guys? Slightly longer than natural Barbie. Ta-da! And then usually how I'll do it is that I will try to align it with my eye first and then cut it, and then after that I'll just like, okay, so how I align is just I'll just do this lashes, and then I'll align and see how much to cut. Now I'm just attaching the lashes here. I always like look down and then ta-da! Oh my god, it's actually not too long for me, but I think there are like some little plastic at the back, so I'm gonna trim it out. Okay, and easily just remove it like that. Remove this too. It's just you do this, use your nail in the middle, and then just open it like that. I'm so lazy to walk. Over. How you see that this is the top is that the hairs are like sticking out from the top, and then this one, how you see that it's the bottom is that the magnet is below the hairs, and then this one is like the hairs on top of the magnet, you know? So what I usually tell my customers is that like you just align it to your eyeball here, find a comfortable side like that, and then I always just look down into the mirror and then just get like that. Ta-da! Ta-da! You see, no gaps. So this is the difference. It is very, very wispy, and it's like for those who love like natural lashes. I'll look up and then you guys can take a look. Looks left, right, left, down. So it looks like that. And then I always like to like push in a little bit more. For all you natural gals out there, I think you guys will love this. So it's just like my natural one, and then this is with natural Starlight. Okay, I'm gonna do this, cut it out, and I usually just cut out like this plastic side, and also like my eyes are like a little bit shorter, I feel. And honestly, if you guys have like hooded eyelids like me, do I have hooded eyelids? I feel that like my double eyelids are like not as thick as last time anymore, which is very sad. And honestly, like people would tell me that, oh yeah, like these lashes are like a little bit more expensive or like overpriced, but I totally don't think so, because if you have to go and queue and then like, you know, book an appointment outside for like lash extensions, right? Like, I don't know, it takes you 1 hour, and then sometimes like, I don't know, the lash technician will just like keep like yapping like at my ear, and I just cannot stand it. Other than that, it takes about 3 weeks or like even 2 weeks. Sometimes all my lashes will come off, like the lash extensions and my real lashes, which is like ridiculous because I spend so much time like growing my lashes with like lash serum. If you guys need a lash serum, Cavilla lash serum is great, but yeah, like I can't take it. Ta-da! Just push in a little bit more. And close your eyes. No gaps, no gaps. Ta-da! So this is how it looks. I really like how this looks, and I think it's very natural, it's very cute, and yeah.